What color is this, Putte? Pink. This one? Dark blue. Then light green. Good. And this one? Dark green. It's okay. What color? Black? Ash. Good. This color? What's this color? Orange. Ah. Eh? Red color. What color is this dried lace? Brown color.
White and yellow.
Eh?
White and yellow.
Yellow. What color is your t-shirt?
Yellow.
Yellow.
White and red.
Very good. Bye.